on episode 2. It is not night, and I don't know if this is episode 2. I think it is. I don't know. I've been re-recording for a little bit. Today, on Random Truck Investigator, we investigate this thing. Another piece of shit left here for the same reason. There is nothing more to explain to this. There is no story behind this. It is just a truck that has been left here. And again, it's got a bunch of shit inside. Will it open? Opens. Is it gonna smell a lot better in here? Please do. Something fucking died in the last one. Bunch of shit in here though. It doesn't smell too bad. Doesn't have anything. Ooh, this one does have a good box. Take a look at that. I think something bit me while I was in there. Is the door even open? Oh my god, it does. It just opened all the way. Oh my god. By the way, as far as my knowledge goes, these trucks do not work. So that is something to note. And there is a broken down fork. This thing is, wow. I see shit like this and it makes me wish that people would take better care of their shit. Alright. Let's get, ooh. Risky. Anything you have is gonna bite me? Oh, there's a knife. Nothing I can use though. Ah! Well, again, proved nothing useful.